It's a pretty darn big chicken snake.
Venomous? Venomous?
Poisonous?
No, not poisonous. No snakes in the Bahamas are poisonous.
That is one big snake though to find in your house. The pattern of a boa constrictor.
That'll get down.
Dolly and Tim want to see this.
Tim should, but Dolly says, I don't want to see no snake. Wow. Oh, you're not going to let him go, are you?
No.
Because I don't have anything on my feet. Oh my God. Yeah, I can smell. Don't let the dogs out, because they go wild.
Holy shit.
Dolly, Derek says he'll wrap them around your shoulders if you'd like.
You do a snake dance.
Will that eat a chicken? Yep.
Oh, that'll eat a chicken.
Holy moly. This is about 8 feet, right?
Oh, I'd say, how tall are you?
6,
7 foot.
7 foot.
I'd say 8 feet, if he's all stretched out.
Yeah, maybe.
I think about 8 feet.
I'd say 8 feet.
No, a guy out of Fernandez Bay is coming. He keeps a lot of snakes. And the biggest one he got was 7.5, so he's excited if it's 8 feet.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
That looks like a good 8 feet.
Yeah.
Look at him and his mouth. What has he got for teeth? Wow.
Get some flour.
There's a dancing partner for you.
That's what you give us instead of your back.
Maybe you should keep it. We'll bring it to Julian's tonight.
No, you dance with it. No.
And my sister house.
In his sister's
She
house.
said she think it was there for about 3 years. Yeah, in the back of the bathtub. The bathtub had a little leak.
Yeah.
And she always, so often over the time, she always used to smell this scent. So she thought it was something to do with, something leaking from the pipe.
Yeah.
And she keep adding a little bleach, to keep the scent down. And then actually she saw it inside the bathtub this morning.
Oh my God. So it's been there for quite a while.
She said about 3 years.
About 3 years. Yeah. Oh, so he actually feeds them.
Feed them, yeah, and they do studies on stuff, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yep.
He
Huh.
looks like kind of a constrictor.
He
Yeah.
does.
Well, I call it a stick. You probably got the right name. That's what we call it.
Yeah, it kind of has that boa
Yeah.
constrictor pattern to him.
Hey. Gets his prey and then chokes it.
Then,
Now, how do you get him back in there without damaging yourself? Oh my God, that snake is so flippin' big. Oh, you gonna put his head first?
I just try to do anything.
Oh my God.
Boy.
He put him in tail first. I mean, head first. Look at the way he's constricting around your hand.
That's good. Finish?
Yeah. I'll keep going as long as you're doing it, but that's fine. You can put it down. All right, hurry, Derek.
Excited for the